Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to all of you who are from the dynamic startup ecosystem. I would want to welcome Colonel B.S. Rao, Mr. Sahaj Sandhu, Ms. Shantala Vegas. Ms. Shantala Vegas is on her way and she should be able to join us very shortly. Mr. Vinod Raghavan, Dr. Srinivas Kasuva, Mr. Abhishek Gorle, Mr. Ratnakar Siveda, and Mr. Kiran KK. I sincerely thank each one of you for graciously consenting to be here today and for being willing to share your valuable insights and experiences. I'm happy to note that we are gathered here today to explore and deepen our understanding of the journey to success for the startups, particularly in the clean tech sector. I'm pleased to inform that HITECHS, along with very active support from ACIC-CBIT and Dr. Sani Agarwal, we've been able to gather the best of minds from clean tech industry and the foreign industry ecosystem for the startups. I'm sure all of us will have a very enriching sessions today, and we would leave this session with a lot of strength and knowledge in scaling up the startup ecosystem, especially in the clean tech sector. Friends, I also stand here as organizer for two trade fair expos. One is Ecosystem Expo and the other one is India Process Expo and Conference. These two trade fairs are organized by HITECHS, and basically India Process Expo and Conference focuses on process technologies, efficiency improvements in energies, especially in the manufacturing sector. We also deal with the kind of infrastructure improvement for the manufacturing sector in terms of material handling, in terms of logistics, in terms of process efficiencies. That is basically about India Process Expo and Conference. And Ecosystem Expo focuses on material recycling, waste management, in terms of solid waste management, in terms of effluent treatment, in terms of pollution control, specifically in an industry environment. We have also introduced biogas as a special section for Ecosystem Expo last year, and the concurrently held expos during the last edition. I am pleased to inform you that we've had participation of more than 200 exhibitors from across about 25 states across India, and we had a couple of international participations too on material recycling and waste management. We had more than 15,000 visitors, industry visitors, coming over to the floors, and we had a very, very vibrant innovation arena where young minds showcase their processes and equipment in handling material recycling and waste management. I'm happy to say that the next editions of Ecosystem Expo and IPEC are scheduled to be held at HITECHS Hyderabad on 30th of July. They will be held for 3 days, and catching up with the successes of the previous editions, this year we have added Startup Challenge as a part of Ecosystem Expo and IPEC, and we've also added conferences through Global Forums. See, South Asian countries, representatives, representatives like consul generals and the trade consulates would be coming in onto the floor for an active interaction with industries and any of the exhibitors. I take this opportunity in inviting all of you to come over to both these trade fairs and take advantage of whatever innovations of processes and technologies that are showcased there. Interact with your peers, gain knowledge. With that, I would request this edition of the Startup Roadshow to commence without taking much more time. Thank you, gentlemen.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.